this is an instructional video for buffaloes, and this is not the funky buffalo that we've done in some of our dances. This is just the standard buffalo. So the basic steps for a buffalo are step, shuffle, leap, and your foot that you started with is going to come up in front. So it's just step, shuffle, leap. But the difficult part is that leap where you're actually changing feet in midair, sort of. And you got to be able to feel that without having to think too hard. Step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. And on the left side it would be the same way, of course. Step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. Now that's very slow, but it's the right rhythm. Bop. 1, 2, and 3, 4, something like that. All right, so from the back it would look like step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. And left side, step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. And we can do that in place, or we can do it moving. We can shuffle off to buffalo. There are different things we can do with it in that way. Now, that was the single, starting with a step with one sound. However, we can also do a double, which is what we sometimes do in our dances, which will start with a flap, because flap has 2 sounds. Full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. And on the left side, full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. From the back, it would look like this. Full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. And on the left side, full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. Full lap, shuffle, leap. And just to clarify, I may not have been real clear about what leap means. It's the opposite of a hop. A hop is when you're leaving the ground and coming back on the same foot. A leap is when you're leaving the ground and going to the other foot. So that's why I'm calling it leap. You're actually both feet in the air briefly and changing feet. Okay, so that was the double. There's also triple, which we probably won't do in the Dancing Grandmas, but just to kind of go on all to the logical end, it's got 3 sounds: shuffle, step. Okay, so we're adding a shuffle. Shuffle, step. So it's 2 shuffles is what it is. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. From the left, shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. And from the back, shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. And on the left, shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. Shuffle, step, shuffle, leap. So you have the single buffalo, which starts with simply a step, 1 sound. You have the double, which is the flap at the beginning, 2 sounds. And then you have the triple, which starts with a shuffle, step, and that gives you that 3 sound pattern at the beginning.